Very good afternoon. I represent Sunshine Global Hospital, which is a group of hospitals in South Gujarat. We are there in Vadodara, Surat and Bharuch. It's a private hospital chain. There's so many smart, and thank you eHealth for recognizing our small time smart healthcare services, which we have given for the patient care and compliances. So like out of few things, some of the things which we have done for the patient include, like say for example, some of the pain areas in the hospitals are, whenever a patient relative come and meet a patient which is in the wards and intensive care. So that is the most pain area when the patient relative which is coming up in numbers and meet the patient inside the ICU. So what we have done, we have named our ICU as an happiness ICU. So you should be happy in visiting the intensive care unit. So we don't encourage the patient relative to go and see the patient inside. We have created a room which is known as a counseling room. We have empowered every staff nurse which is placed inside the ICU with the tablets. And our security guard, try to understand, a security guard is operating a laptop where each and every patient relative, 10 to 15 in number, can sit in a room. A doctor comes out from the intensive care. He used to explain the vitals of the patient and the care which is given to the patient. Through the tablet, a staff nurse keep the tablet in front of the patient wave from there. They tell the multi-para monitoring system to the patient relative, and believe it, the patient relative who is traveling from faraway places, they come and see the condition of the patient. So through these things, three things can be taken care of. One, n number of patient relative can see the patient. Actually, a doctor is explaining the vital of the patient, number two. And thirdly, the infection control can be controlled because we don't allow so many patient relative to go inside. Second area which you all have seen in the hospitals, patient feedback mechanism. And patient feedback mechanism is generally, like all the companies, including the hotels and airlines, a feedback form is given to the patient, to the customer. And at that time, he just cannot write the true patient feedback because a doctor in front of them, a staff nurse is in front of them, and all the paramedics are facing them. So if you see, most of the feedback is 85% more. So that is not a true feedback. So we have made one application with a user ID and a password. Whenever the patient is advised for a discharge, we give that tablet through a PRO to that patient or a relative. So he used to go to the patient website, use his password and user ID, and give the true feedback. And that feedback is analyzed on a periodical basis so that we know what are the gaps and weaknesses. And a compliance report is sent via SMS and mail to the patients. So these are the few things which we are attempting to do at a hospital, and we are getting good compliance in that. So hospital is a full of manual process, including the corporate hospital, but few smarter technologies which we are attempting to do, and which is increasing our patient compliances. Thank you so much.